तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल.
Now I will take on questions. Now, what are the first question has come is?
So in tag, we get 4 minutes to write the story. But
Yeah.
at times, I write very short and precise stories. I don't, include many actions in it. So shall I do that or not?
Oh no, keep simple short stories. You've seen my samples also. Yeah, have you seen the sample stories which have been written in the ebook?
Yes, sir.
Are they not simple, short, and nothing very elaborate?
Yes, sir.
Keep like that, it is always beneficial, and in any case, in the narration, you get limited time. If your story is long, you may not be able to, narrate the complete story.
Sir, I came across one of your videos where you were talking about few people looking towards the SSS while they are in PPGT and they didn't get screened in. Sir, what is that all about? I didn't get that.
Okay. See what happens. There are people who have come with the mindset of impressing the assessors. That is their driving force. They feel, after all, this group is all an artificial setting. My main agenda is to impress the assessors and get screened in. So, naturally, because of this agenda, when they make a point, they want it to be registered by the assessors. So, they're very conscious about this. And then some of them, like if you made a good story which people are agreeing to also, then you are nominated to narrate the story, then what you do, you narrate the stories to the assessors because you are trying to impress them. For you, they are the main audience. So this is a wrong mindset. You should be looking at your group members only, and the assessors are just incidental. They could be observing through CCTV, like in Big Boss, that the entire game is being played between the characters who are there in the house. So in the house, the characters are only the candidates who are seated in the semicircular manner, and you have to address all things to them only. Is it now clear, Arnab?
Sir, it's clear. Sir, if by mistake we get an eye contact with the
That is not a problem, yeah, that is not a problem. It's not that कि तुम वो बोलो हम मतलब आँख ही छुपा लोगे ना उधर ना कि वो गलती हो गई. Don't, not that. Fine, that is not required.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
सर ये पीपीडीटी के में जो थीम रहता है सर, द थीम ऑफ पीपीडीटी, सर इसका रोल क्या रहता है सर, और इसको डिस्क्राइब कैसे करना रहता है सर? इस चीज का कंफ्यूजन है
तो बोला
सर,
ना,
क्योंकि ई-बुक में मैं पढ़ा सर, वहाँ पे ऐसे थीम का कुछ
नहीं उधर नहीं लिखा हुआ. That point is valid. It is just that, like we said, a man studying, man preparing for exam. Fine. A man, saving a house from fire, or saving house from fire, saving a drowning man, restoring the own life. Whatever stands out in the picture, write that. Discussion for an issue. Whatever is shown, that you write as the main theme. That you can identify, what is the main theme.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if we start giving very existential replies, like whatever we see, we just say upfront, then like people get offended, even the SSRs. Like I was in SSB, they asked me how is the food. So basically, आर्मी ने बहुत खर्चा किया है, खाना खिला रहे हैं. तो मैंने बोला भूख लगी है तो अच्छा लगता है. उसने बोला what kind of answer is this? I said रोटी थोड़ी सी कच्ची है. तो सर, how to perceive a picture so that we नहीं तो हम ऐसे ही हो जाते हैं सर. Our real life with friends and everything, we are so much like that.
Now you are wanting to get an answer in conference how was the food and stay, or you want something about the PPDT?
I'm getting confused that when to carve out a hero and when not, because if I start looking at a picture, most of the pictures can be जिसमें hero की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ये कहीं पे भी।
नहीं हीरो यू सी थिंक दैट यू नो कुछ ना कुछ तो एक्टिविटी होनी है ना, कुछ पढ़ा, कुछ फुटबॉल खेली, घर आग बुझाई, somebody is not a big deal, hero is the main character of that picture, कोई तो होगा ना, somebody will be there or not.
यस, प्रोटैगनिस्ट कोई तो होगा।
हाँ, प्रोटैगनिस्ट तो होगा। प्रोटैगनिस्ट नीड नॉट परफॉर्म अ हीरोइक टास्क, ही मे डू अ मोस्ट मंडेन टास्क, फाइन। हाँ, कि वो प्लेट उठा के ले गया, उसने लोगों को खाना खिला दिया, इतना ही काम हो सकता है, पानी पिला दिया, फाइन।
यस सर।
हाँ, बट जब कॉन्फ्रेंस में पूछते खाना कैसा था, तो आप ये नहीं बोलना कि जिंदा रहने के लिए ठीक ही है, यू शुड से इट वाज गुड, फाइन, दैट ओके।
यस सर।
So I had one SRT in which your hostel food is not good. So what will you do? So in this kind of activities, do we need to should we ignore this? Let's not make a fuss about it. It's a normal thing. या फिर पानी नहीं आ रहा है, या फिर अच्छा खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, go to the higher authorities की action लेना ही पड़ेगा. So what should be our...
No, Hina, that second thing which you are saying, that is a better thing. You should do what you can do. You should.
So, but अगर कुछ ऐसा है कि जो मतलब बहुत लाइट सिचुएशन है, बहुत बड़ी डील नहीं है, it's not a big deal.
At the limit. Yes, that is also okay. If you feel not a big deal, ignore.
तो हमें मतलब अपना जो एडजस्टमेंट कैरेक्टर है वो हाईलाइट करना चाहिए कि जो हमारा ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल है।
हिना, जब आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट का बाप बनने की माँ बनने की कोशिश करोगी तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी।
या
ठीक है ना? Don't try to do that. Fine. If two people go for SSB together and one of them has to be selected, one is a commando soldier and other is a doctorate in psychology. Who is likely to get selected? Who has higher chances of getting recommended?
maybe the commando, I think.
हाँ, maybe नहीं, definitely.
अच्छा।
हाँ, वही होगा। हाँ, वो साइकोलॉजी वाला नहीं, वो नहीं, he is not that suited for a soldiering role, यार। Yes, so you see, if you look at the things which I tell you, that what will come out in the 5 days of testing will be a sample of your and the candidates, real life. तो पीएचडी जो डॉक्टर हैं, प्रोफेसर साहब हैं, उनका आउटलुक फर्क है, वो सोल्जरिंग के लिए इतना सूटेड नहीं है, और दूसरा कमांडो बंदा इज वेरी वेल सूटेड, तो ही विल कम आउट एज मोर सूटेबल। In fact, Hina, if you are also an assessor and you were to get the test conducted, you will say definitely, without having any expertise, you will say, "Yeah, this chapter better."
Sir, there is a situation. Can you please, according to you, you are an
SRT.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
You are in Indian Air Force. Your wife is
Yes.
an IAS officer.
Very good.
The government passes a reg.
तो जिसकी सैलरी और जिस पे तो जिसकी सैलरी और अकोमोडेशन बेटर होगी, उसको चलते रहना चाहिए, दूसरे को छोड़ देना चाहिए।
Okay, sir.
That is a rational decision, correct?
Yes, sir.
So rationality should be rated above emotions.
Sir, can we write I will discuss this thing with my husband and I'll stand on the final.
नहीं, देखो, नहीं, वो तो जो घुमाने वाली बात हो गई। इधर तो लिखना है ना तुम्हें डिसीजन, या ये नहीं करना, घुमाओ फिराओ नहीं करना। पॉलिटिक्स में तो यही करना है कि ठीक है, रिजर्व, अभी हम जजमेंट विदहेल्ड वो कर लिया। डोंट डू दैट, यू कमिट। रैशनली दिस इज द करेक्ट डिसीजन। इमोशनल डिसीजन नहीं, देशभक्ति की भावना है, मैं देश की रक्षा जहाज उड़ाना है मैंने, तो आई विल आस्क माय हस्बैंड टू लीव IAS, क्या छोटी सी चीज है ना? बट रैशनली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट करेक्ट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Mehran here. I have a comment on this.
Yeah, Mehran, go ahead. Please comment.
Sir, I had seen this SRT in the morning, and I thought the first thing that came to my mind was, well, this is really stupid, and I thought I'll go to the court to challenge this thing that has been passed. So,
नहीं नहीं तेरे वो भी बात ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है, तेरा पॉइंट भी ठीक है, बट यू थी वो कोर्ट शोर्ट में तो यू नो ना जाते जाते तो कब तक डिसीजन होगा यार.
sir, hoga to, but that is the first thought that came to my mind.
हाँ हाँ नहीं तो you write that. नहीं what you that is also a sensible response.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And sir, I had one more question I wanted to ask. It's
Yeah.
regarding TAT, sir. So, is it okay if, to write stories based on your own experiences?
No, you can write. There is no problem, but don't be, straight
Okay, sir.
jacketed that they have to be from your experiences only. Then that will be a
Sir.
problem because a lot of people think that way. That should not be there.